We're going to explain how to unprotect an Excel sheet without a password. Remember, this only works in certain situations, primarily if the sheet protection wasn't set up robustly. If a strong password was used, there's no way to bypass it without the password. Let's look at a few methods. 1. The first thing to try is checking if the sheet is actually protected. Sometimes, people think a sheet is protected when it's not. Look for the Protect Sheet option in the Review tab. If it's not grayed out and says Unprotect Sheet, your sheet isn't protected, and you're done. If the Unprotect Sheet option is available but you don't know the password, try leaving the password field blank and clicking OK. Sometimes a sheet might have been protected with a blank password, and this will remove the protection. Excel sometimes has issues with its protection settings. A simple solution to try is to save the Excel file in a different format. Save it as a .csv file, comma-separated values, then reopen it. This process can sometimes reset the protection. After reopening, attempt to check if the protection is still in place. Then save it again as in .xlsx if you need the original format. If you have multiple sheets in your workbook, try unprotecting individual sheets. If the protection is only on one sheet, removing it from that individual sheet should allow you to access the content without a password, while other sheets might remain protected. A more drastic approach is to create a copy of the Excel file. Work on the copy while leaving the original untouched. Unprotecting the copied file is less risky if something goes wrong. 6. If none of the above work, there's a chance the protection is extremely secure. You might need to consider seeking the password from the person who protected the sheet, or using professional data recovery services to attempt to recover the data. This is often expensive and only possible in limited scenarios. It's important to note that bypassing password-protected files without authorization is unethical and may be illegal. Always attempt to obtain permission or the password from the owner before trying any of these methods.